the virtual labs. So your homework assignment is the virtual lab from your science textbook, and we're doing the lab for chapter 1. So we want to remember that we should have bookmarked already our 7th grade science. So I'm going to go to my bookmark, and I'm going to pull up 7th grade science, and I'm doing chapter 9. So I know that I want to do a virtual lab, so I'm going to click on the virtual lab, and I'm going to say, all right, I'm in chapter 9. Pops me to unit 3 automatically, and there is the virtual lab button. So I'm going to click it. Here it is. What are the major bones in the human body? That's the lab that we're doing. So you're going to open it up. It's going to bring you to the lab window. Now what you want to do is you want to read this side of the document. What are the major bones in the body? It's going to tell you how to run your lab. It's going to tell you what you have to do. This is very much like the science fair. It's the purpose and the procedures of how you do your experiment. Okay? So you're going to read, and it tells you all sorts of great information about bones and the skeleton and how you can divide it into 2 parts. It tells you that when there are 2 or more bones, they meet as a joint. So you want to read all of this. As you read and read, you scroll down, read, and now it says, I'm just going to walk you through the objectives. In this lab, you'll play the role of a curator at a natural history museum. The main screen, this one over here, shows you your laboratory. Your job will be to reconstruct an ancient skeleton by piecing together bones that were recovered by an archaeologist. Scroll down. Our objective, this is what your goal is. This is how you learn. You need to be able to identify the major bones of the human body. And the second thing is you have to be able to put those bones where they belong in their correct anatomical position. So in order to do that, here's the procedures of the lab. Remember, just like the science fair. Number 1, examine the laboratory. You're going to click on the human skeleton to examine a labeled skeleton. You click a label to hear the name of the bone, and you use the labeled skeleton as a guide for reconstructing an anatomically correct human skeleton. So it says, examine it, click on it. Click. That's what you get. You pop up and you get this skeleton. And look, they're all named. And if you want to hear something, it'll tell you what it is. Okay, the box in number 2. The box in the laboratory, this box over here, contains ancient human bones recovered by an archaeologist. You are to begin piecing together the bones in the box. And so in order to do that, it says click on the box. Click on it. There you go. There's our skeleton person that we're going to put together, and here's the bones in the box. So it says, number 3, click the box to examine a bone. There it is. That bone. What bone is that? What does it look like? So you want to match it into the thing. So if you put it in the right spot, it'll stick. If you don't put it in the right spot, it's not going to stick. So I think it goes way down here. Nope. Dropped away from me. Okay, I think it goes in the hand. Nope. So where is it? Is it the upper arm? It was. And it clicked and stuck into place. Okay? And when we want another bone, we're going to click on it. Okay, what is that? Do you see any little round bones? Does it look like it belongs in the hand? Let's try it. Nope. How about the feet? Nope. Okay, I think it's the kneecap. Nope. I think it's a hand bone. Try that already?